Okay, good morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time zone you are in. And I think I need to finish the Firebird 3 tests that are failing. And after thinking about it a little bit more after last stream, I decided that I will not be fixing these tests, mostly because it's bending the reality more towards Firebird 3, I guess, with the length limitations and everything. And given these tests are running on Firebird 4 and Firebird 5, I think it's kind of okay to say, hey, this functionality works. Only given the setup of the tests, of the functional tests, it's going to fail on Firebird 3. So what I decided is, instead of trying to fix them and potentially broking other pieces or creating more harm than it's really needed, or splitting the configuration between 3 and 4, I'm just going to expect this failure. So to give you a little bit of overview, so what I was considering, first one was just fix the tests. Make sure that the identifiers are less than 31 characters and so on and so on. I kind of said probably not, because especially on Firebird 4 and 5 and maybe later on 6, it will be way more difficult uh, to handle these because the table names are super short and everything. I've done that before. It's pain in the ass. And especially given the Firebird 5 is like behind the corner and Firebird 3 will be out of support, I don't feel too bad by saying, hey, I'm not going to fix the tests to tailor the lowest common version. I will just say, hey, if it's working on 4 and 5, it's probably working on 3 as well, because there is not much like SQL generation changes, especially not in the provider. So that was the first option. The other option was to have like two different configurations, one for Firebird 3, one for Firebird 4 and up, and basically switch it only for Firebird 3. The problem is that now you have like two different sets, and if one is failing on one or the other server, it's difficult to figure out, hey, is it failing on all because there is really a failure, or it's just a coincidence that it's failing with two different configurations. And the last one that I finally decided to do was basically, hey, if it's a Firebird 3, run the test and expect that the name length is over whatever is the error message. And that's fine. It basically means, hey, it was translated, it was properly parsed by Firebird, just the identifier is longer than expected, and that's fine. That's kind of like an expected failure, but the whole pipeline and everything works fine even on Firebird 3, just in case we would have some if, else, and so on, as we will probably do eventually, because to support Firebird 3 and Firebird 4 and Firebird 5, there will be a little bit of different configuration and so on. So I think that's a good trade-off, basically like making it work and making sure that it's still kind of okay-ish. So if I look at this one, so there's a 55 tests failed on Firebird 3. Do we have a list or something here? Oh, there's some other name longer. Okay. So we have few tests that are actually failing for real. On 3, probably could be. Anyway, let me run this small test suite just to make sure that it's, no, that it's still fine. Let me open PowerShell and do, nope. So what do we need? Firebird 3.10, that's fine. Let's run Firebird. Okay, so this is fine. And this one has 13,000 tests. So let's run that. It takes 6 minutes. Awesome. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do two things. The first one is in the test store, I believe. Let me open some test. Doesn't really matter what it is. What do I have in here? I think I have fixture. Yes, I do have fixture. And yep. So what I'm going to do probably is in the oh, I cannot do it in the fixture. Okay, then I will do it probably in the store. Because there's a connection. Can I access it? I probably should be able to do it. What else do I have in here? Yeah, fixture. Test store, yes. And that's probably... I need to cast it. Fair enough. So my plan is to do two things. The first one is to expose the version. So whenever the connection is opened, I will get the version number. So something like public version, server version. And let's do private set. Here I will set it up. So server version will be this one. Then I can use it in this to make it a little bit nicer. Good. So I have this available. And what I will also do, because if you remember from last one, here in the test base, I have this one, server version at least, at most, and so on and so on. And it's basically this. So what I would like to do probably well, my idea is to create these as an extension methods, although these are public static. I can probably use them from because in the test base I have this one. I cannot do this. Okay, let's leave this one here. I can close this one. The store has the server version. Now I'm wondering where to place this like helper method, whether it should be Yeah. Okay, fine. Let's check this one. Yes, so this is the text we are looking for. Let me put it somewhere. And let's open this file. This will be what I would like to do is something like if this type of this. I cannot do this. So something like this. Whoa, that's a lot of brackets. There should be server version. The server version is less than 4. Do I need to do full version? Do you remember that from? Let me check that. Yeah, full version. Or maybe I don't, but it's probably just a little bit safer to assume it's this one. Otherwise, do this. And I'm missing bracket here. What I'm doing, I'm trying to do it with a shortcut, not working. So this one, and I guess I would need to do this. Probably. Otherwise, I will do assert throws. Is there a FB exception? This one. What's oh yeah, I throws async. That's better. And this one will return me the exception. Now what I would like to do is basically instead of having this and repeat it on every place, I will just do like extra assert or something. No, that's not what I want. Okay, let's call it asset helpers. Wouldn't it be cool if I could just pass this method and it would do everything? Probably not. But I don't want to repeat this as well. Anyway, let's do yeah, let's do this first. So that's out of the way. Come on. This will be a public class. Not. It will be a static class. So public static. Let's do FB exception for now. Assert name longer than size. Name longer than database. Column size. Do I want this long one? I don't know. Anyway, so what I will do would be a func task would be a func, then version maximum. So with that, we can do probably this. I'm wondering whether I need even the FB exception in here, but we'll get to that. XUnit. This will be the func I'm interested in. So it needs to throw an exception. And then I need to do another assert. Is there a string assert for XUnit? Probably not. That's an unit. Equal. Probably. The overload. That looks like a good one. So the expected one is this. One is the message. Is there actually an error code for this one? Not sure whether it has a specific one. Okay, I will leave it on the string because it's a little bit more descriptive, is it? Or is it not? I think this is good. And do we do something like multiple? Do we want to run multiple? No. If the first one fails, the other one is not interesting. Oh yeah, and we need this. This will be the maximum. Anyway, the server version. Am I going to pass it or? Let's do test store. So it's a little bit more convenient, hopefully. Something like this. Good. So that's that. So what I can do now is I'm wondering whether this method should be this or not test setup test base. What I'm doing if oh, I don't actually have that one. Yeah, because it's deriving from different one. Okay, so I will keep it this way. Or actually, where is it? There it is. And I will return a bool. Now the question is, should be false? How it's going? If I do return true, how it's going to look like in here? Asset helpers, this one. So it's this, this. Fixture, test store, it's okay. And the version should be not 5. And if it's less than 4, I need to evade this one. That's weird. Doing false. That's weird, isn't it? Because now it's like, hey, this is doing some assert conditionally. Does XUnit has like a conditional assert? That would be awesome. Let me check that. No. Bunch of these. Translation failed. What is this doing? Huh. Let's check the sources. Oh, I deleted it last time. Never mind. Oh yeah, that's completely different stuff. Anyway. It's weird. I would like to return false in here. But then it's like, it's weird. I could add another parameter. Well, first of all, let me come on. Let me do this so it looks like kind of okay-ish. And we are making closure over the async. That's probably fine for the tests. What was I talking about? Yeah, yeah, the true false feels weird. Maybe I will go back to the exception, or actually FB exception. Return that. I will return null here. If x is null, then I can do this. Still not super nice, but it will do, I guess. Can change it later. Right, let me run this test. Just to make sure it's working. Still failed. Oh, yeah. God damn it. Let me put a breakpoint in here and check what I can do about it. Nope, not interested. Do what's the error code? Come on, copy value. What? Yeah. The error code is not specific enough, I guess. How is it it's not in code? That's weird, but maybe it's generated. Let me check Firebird sources. Then that's dynamic SQL error. Okay, it's not specific to this one. So what if I would just do const string expected and do something like this. Oh, nice. But I still want to do it this way. Should be okay, right? should be okay. Okay, good. And we can change this one later if a little bit formatting changes or something like that in some version or whatnot. Good. So good, I guess. I would still like to have this method, but I don't know. I cannot include this one because the shared code. Why is it even shared code? But that's something else. I was thinking, hey, what if I create a library from this? Why was it? Because of the signature or because of the program. Got it. Oh, it's not that difficult to have. And this could be a library. I just reference. Maybe later. Anyway, let's continue. So this one looks okay. How we are looking? 500 tests failed. What the hell? It was 59. That one. Okay, this one is different. This one is different. Oh yeah. It was fine on 4. It's again some sorting and some different ones. What the hell? Oh, was that me? Or not me? Let's run it again. Good, that looks better. 500 failing tests, that's way more than 55 that's here. No. Okay, this one is green. What's this one? There's one. Okay, so that's valid failure. Okay, let's run it. It seems like it failed for some reason. Okay. Don't tell me that it was just one test failing for name stuff. Really? You've got to be kidding me. I highly doubt it. All failed? Right. There it is. Haha. Shit. That's fine. Whoa, that's not much, but this one? Query filter, this one. Simple table names. Why do I have this test overridden? Is there a reason? This one. I mean, isn't it? Wait a minute, it's a... Let me check this. Oh, got it. Let's stop Firebird. Where we have 4, there it is. Hmm. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. I think I copy pasted it from somewhere. So let's do 3. Um, this sucks. This is the 3rd one, so let's make it more or less alphabetical. Maybe I can just copy paste the names. And then do the stuff. I hate this. And you can probably tell. I'm not sure why on Fiber 3 some of the tests are failing, but it's definitely some sorting issue again. And on 4 it's fine, I guess. Maybe there's a slightly different behavior on 4, which is fine if you have basically undefined behavior. I'm not saying that Firebird should change something. If you do like, I don't know, grouping and you don't have order by, well, then database is free to give you whatever order is most useful for database. So, yep. Let's do override. Last time I had better way to do it now. I don't know. Now I'm starting to think that maybe running these functional tests only on 4 makes sense, especially for the different sorting and options, but yeah, anyway. So what else? This, 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 this. I forgot here. Nope. Nope. So is the fact. Where is the one that I forgot to? There it is. Empty line. Okay. And so we have fixture, test store. It's this one. So this, or what I can actually do is this, right? A little bit easier. And version is 4. If the exception is null, then yep, do this. Oh, god damn it. I need to have sync and async version. Do I really care? I will probably cheat a little bit. I know it's not nice. It's definitely not good performance, but yeah, this is absolutely wrong. Dear IntelliCode, Visual Studio, whatever is it. What I will do is this. Don't judge me. Oh, yeah. Mm. I mean, it's ugly, right? Let's think about it later. Good. So this is basically the structure of code that I need to copy paste into each and every method, and then fix this and fix this, remove this. Let's leave that one for later. me do it this way. Okay. Where is my stuff? There it is. This sucks. I mean, I don't like the code touch bit with the exception and doing it again, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this one. Because what I usually want to do is have like a normal case, which would be fiber 4, fiber 5, this piece of code, and then have like an exceptional piece of code, which would be for fiber 3. This one kind of looks like it's making I don't know. You know how it said that you should have the most important part of the code on top. Well, there's multiple reasons why, but this is kind of it. My most important part of the code is actually, first of all, hidden down below, and even the other one is like weird method that I don't know. It's probably okay-ish, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I should have done this one before. Let's do this. Nope. Static void test. Cannot be static, obviously. And then just copy paste this piece of code. Will be here. Maybe an empty line. Let's do this. And let's do this. Okay. Let me run this. What? What the hell? I think I did something wrong. Let me put the first one. Is it the first one? Yes, it is. This does not really matter, right? What? It's not going into the test? What the fuck? Is it the correct class? It is. What? What? Let's rebuild everything. Just in case, but I highly, highly doubt it. Throw new not implemented exception. Just to be sure. Run it. What? Ah, I get it. Now it's failing on initialize. And that's it? Ah. Mm. No, 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 no. Okay, let me... So 53 tests failed. Let's run again. Ah, okay. Just as I was hoping for an easy day, just like finish it. We know it works on Fiber 4, so it's question of polishing it on 3. No, no, no. Well, in this case, we can remove this code because it's not used here. And for the one method, I can just skip it. I don't care. And it's already with the simple table names, column names. Yeah, it's probably the generated one. Multi-context filter is there. Ah, yeah, it's generated stuff probably. Yeah, this is a long one. Yeah. Don't care anymore. Two failed. Failed. Yeah, that is the order by. Anyway, let's fold it back. Do they have like... Because in XUnit, in any unit, you can say that the test is inconclusive, just basically like it's not true, it's not false. I would like to do the same here. Skippable fact. Fuck, that's not that's not an alternative. This is a method. Oh man. Yeah, I was expecting something like this. The skip. There's probably some extension, right? Yeah, no. What is this? Ah. Problem is... the problem is that I don't have... I don't have the fiber version. I think that this is... Okay. Some kind of extra extension? Really? Oh, that's something from EF Core. Ah, okay. Uh, 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 uh. Well, that sucks. But what now? It's never easy. Because this one is failing in initialize. Ah, how am I going to handle this? How am I going to handle this? Ah. Because during the initialize, I don't have yeah. What I have available in here. Maybe. Yeah. Name. Not really useful. Shared. Fuck. It it only gets worse, I guess. Ah. Okay. Hmm. Okay, this is my plan. So I will do try catch. If there is an exception and it's less than 4, so 5 by 3 and so on, and as a name longer, then I will just ignore it. I'm not going to do any seeding. I will just return. That's ugly as hell. Then I will fuck these asset helpers. Not interested. In that case, I will go back into this one. So FB test store server version. You know what? I will do another one. Public bool less than 4. Server less than 4, because why not? And I will basically do this one. I don't know whether I need public server version, but whatever. Server less than 4. That's nice. Same here. Server less than 4. Simple if. Then I will do return, and that's about it. Otherwise, we can do this. And that's it. It's not async. Boom. Couldn't care less. Let's do this. Just return. So what I'm basically doing, if you are following, or if you are actually not following, I will run the tests. I don't care that the initialize failed, because otherwise the full test will fail. But I will skip the test. I will skip the test basically. That's it. So I don't care that the initialize. Oh no, there's a try catch. Haha. Let's see how that goes. And then we have, I don't know, another 40 failing ones. This is boring. Good, at least something. And this one is basically that. And we can do this. And that's as good as it gets, I hope. Let's run it. Maybe I forgot something. Or something else will jump on me. Nice. That's good. Let me open another PowerShell. What do I have in here? This one, that's fine. Yeah. I need to test utilities. Not that it matters that much. It's not needed. Whatever. Okay. More tests. Oh, let's push it so it's running on the CI as well. 10 failed. EF property include. Okay. Well, let me check whether I can quickly understand what is happening in there. Put a breakpoint in here. Let's open MB command. Let's go for parse, not parse, prepare. Come on. This one I'm looking at. Yeah, and I will put a breakpoint in there when we get there. Okay. I mean, how is it possible that it's working on 4 and failing on 3? But somehow it is. So what is the command text? Customer ID. What's the database name? What I'm looking at, there it is. Customer ID, what is C? T, this is T, this is T. True. SC, so it's sorting through. Okay. Oh, damn it. What's the parameter value actually? Let me check parameters. There's PPP parameters. I know. 1. Why do I have it as a parameter? Does not really matter. Let's do 1. Let's play some skipping or something. I don't know. Let's try again. Some wrong encoding. There's this alf key. Oh, okay. Show table customers. Where am I? Where is my console? There it is. What the hell? There it is. Show table customers. That's fine. Orders. Customer ID, that's fine. Why is it sorting differently? So it's L, and that's okay. And do I have Firebird 4 with this database? Hopefully I do. Looks like I do. Can I run it on different port? Okay. But I don't know the ISQL, but it has a switch for port. Well, hope for the best. Okay, that's different data. Okay, so let's check. Order by, oh, there's a, okay, that makes sense. I should have checked the query before. It's order by 1. It's like, hey, order it whatever you like. Ah, that sucks. You've got to be kidding me. Yeah, okay, that's a wrong test. Basically, they skipped the first one. Makes sense, but there is no or. Oh, wait a minute. Not PowerShell. Oh, got it. Let me check something. I'm not in Northwind include, right? Or am I? I am. What the hell? I am in Northwind EF property. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah. Is it order by basically 1 and 0 is something that exists in here. I think that's like a weird edge case. How does the SQLite looks like? Oh, SQLite is not implementing this test, I guess. Okay, anyway. Let me check this. What the hell? Ah, okay, something failed. That's fine. It's EF6 anyway, and I can rerun it. Yeah, looking into the functional tests. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. I mean, I really cannot skip programmatically test in XUnit. There's no skip. What version of XUnit I'm actually using? Version 2. Ah. Do I want to update this one? Let me check what version this one is referencing. Oh man, it's another rabbit hole. I want version 7. Dependencies, maybe this one. XUnit. Okay. So do I dare updating it? XUnit. There's no version 3. What the hell? No milestone, nothing. Oh, there it is, 2.5. Okay. Then I'm a little bit less worried. So 5.0. Because it's not a huge jump. Let's hope for the best. And yeah, now I can go back and do this. And what was another usage of this? Yep. So we have those so far. No, skip. Well, let me check. Is this... Yeah, it's a different package, I guess. Yep. Okay. Let's put it in here. This should be 0 and hope for the best. Still nothing. Come on. Am I really that stupid? What's the namespace? XUnit SDK? What the fuck? Oh, I can throw skip exception. Namespace XUnit. Why is it not there? Skip if, skip when. Ooh. Skip unless. Yeah, yeah. That was stupid because that's transitive dependency. Is there a skip exception? Yeah. Skip. There should be skip. God damn it. Should be on 2.5. Ah. Um. What the hell is happening? Let's do this. Yeah, there is no skip assets. It is there. Skip exception. I have the exception. I don't have the skip. Can I do like... What the hell? I don't understand this. Exudent SDK. Makes sense. I have all empty, false, true. No skip. Okay. I have a skip exception. Or do I? Oh, there's no public constructor. V3 and later. I mean, I can do this. It looks weird, but I don't care. It's somewhere there. I had to do this. Oh, god damn it. Do I really want to copy paste this into that? Ah. Can I do this? I can. Nice. Again? Couldn't care less. And the good news is that with this exception, I can actually say Okay, this one, and there was another one here, I believe. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Guess I will need this one multiple times. So let's copy paste it. And we probably need to do this and this. Good. Let's try that. And the list does not contain. Run. What the hell? Oh, that's what I got when I... What was this one? Okay, well, let's do 2.4. What was the version? I can probably close this. 2.4.2. And disconnect in here. 2.4.2. That's the rabbit hole, right? I think it was replaced by something. That's the actual value, whatever. You have skip exception. What is there? A tree build. Ah, man. It's probably old. It's probably old one. Okay. So what now? Let's do 25050. Now this seems to be throws a thing equal exception. Okay, so now it returns equal exception and as actual. Okay, let's do 4.2 again. Now this one throws equal exception. Asset actual exception. It's the same. What is with the... Where is this? equal exception. Yeah, what's there? Just the exception. So if I do message, is it the same? Probably not. I mean, how can you, on a minor version change, have a breaking change? It should be major, no? So what now? What we can do is check what is the highest 2.4? 2.42. Okay, that was the latest on 4. I mean, okay, what are my options? Two for two. What? On 2.42 there's a skip? What the hell? I mean, new skip exception. But I guess the skip exception is not public. Probably. But it's fine. As long as I have... Why? Why I don't see that? Next unit. So skip not visible. I'm kind of lost. I'm lost. Why it's not there? Okay, let's do one more thing. Two, four, five. Oh, that doesn't really matter. Wait a minute. No, no, no. Ah, What was the other one? Northwind EF. Let's open this one. Oh, that's what I opened. This one. And the complex stuff. What was my plan? Oh yeah, my plan was check this exception and copy full path. Oh, now it's public. Okay. Ah, finally. Good. Honestly, I'm a little bit pissed off that it was a small breaking change, obviously, and I was able to figure it out eventually, but it was a still breaking change. But fair to say, it was also an easy one. Well, I don't know how much time I spent on that one. So okay, we have about 5 minutes before we get the results. I can probably do stuff. Fix more tests. I know. Git push. There we go. It's starting. There we go. And oh, what the fuck? Let's stop it. Yeah. This is funny. Well. Fuck. I should be fixing tests and not fighting with a damn X unit. That's why I like NUnit. There, I said it. What if I remove this one for now? It's clearly a bug. Ah, yeah, there is no message. Now, let's try again. Nope. I was hoping that maybe it's checking for the string or something. Okay, what is this actually doing? Where is this actually coming from? This is the await. This is the actual. Where is this coming from? So I will be able to fix it by setting it. And type is string. Mm. Equal exception. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. 5-0. Now the actual exception. It's still doing the same. Okay. Equal exception. Is it in this repo? No, so it's probably in the assets, I don't know. I don't see that, so that gets the index to actual value. It's -1. It's passing in there. Let me do this. Nice. Now it's X unit exception. Yeah. That is the actual. And the actual is being partial class again. Like, don't tell me there is no. That's what I have. That is the rest of the stuff. Let's do full text search. Oh, it's ignoring the actual stuff now. It's not storing it. Okay. Oh man, why me? Why is this throwing actual exception? Equal exception. What if I do this? Solved-ish. Okay, let's go back. Well, I wanted to do it without. If this does not work, then I just wasted like half an hour of oh no. I don't have patience for this. I really don't. I just don't want to deal with this anymore. Whatever. Yeah, the skip exception does not work. Let me Google why it's failing. Oh, maybe because it's a theory. Great. Wait a minute. Is it really that I need to do this? Really? No, that's... Oh, you've got to be... Uh... Yeah, I think I opened rabbit hole. Where is this? Is this even... Yeah, that's something else. Um, no, I'm not going to go this way. I'll just do return. Why was I even doing the other way? Now I will realize why I was going into the skip one. Come on. Let's try again. Great. Couldn't care less. Let's run it. Good. Whatever this is, I will just commit it. Yes. Oh, let's call it foo because why not? How we are looking in here? Come on, a little bit faster. Whatever. Let's push it. There we go. Oh, that's completely unrelated. Yeah. I can fix that later. Yeah, that's the ordering. Nice. So copy paste this one. List contains, that's the first one. The other one is does not contains. Should be this one, but just to make sure that I'm copy pasting everything correctly. And this one. Let's try that. What? What Firebird I'm running, actually. Firebird 4, let's shut it down. Firebird 3, just to make sure, but it should be different port, so we will see. Still, what the fuck? Oh, I'm in a wrong. What did I do? Okay, let's remove this one. Open the correct one. Northwind string include. Let's put it in here. Let's run it. Okay. Let's run the whole set. Nice. Same shit. And this one. Do this and this. Let's copy paste this and this. And let's run the shit again. Awesome. So let's run this. It's apparently red. Not sure why the other ones are working, but I will just play along. Come on. Awesome. So let's run the whole shit and see what happens. Yeah, we don't have to wait for this one. So I can remove, just return in here. EF property include, nice. Yeah, I know. I removed it from that class few moments ago. Whatever. So let me put it in here. Here. And here. This one. Okay, so that's fixed in here. EF property. Let's push it there. Two hours, 15 minutes on the stream. Miscellaneous. It's failing in here. Come on. Window, do something. Fuck. I was hoping for something that's a little bit easier. All right, what's next? Split include. That. Well, okay. That's another one that's not what I would expect, but Let me check the query in EF Core. Be probably faster. There we go. Yep, that's the same stuff. Okay, so that's Northwind split. Let me check this one. SQL Server, there we go. Ah, this query is fine. It's like distinct customer IDs, where order ID is something less. Joining that stuff together, ordering by customer ID. I mean, this looks fine to me. Uh, is it done? And we are now in the miscellaneous. Split include, I fixed that, I believe. We'll see. There is more in this one. Let me quickly go through the list. No. So that should be like 14. Yeah, okay. Makes sense, makes sense. So let's check this one. What the query is actually about. True, false. Why? But I guess maybe Firebird orders differently, true, false. I don't know. Let me debug the test. It should be the last one, so I guess I can spend more minutes on it. Famous last words, right? Like, hey, this is the last one. That's fine. That's exactly how it should be. But why? What is it actually asserting? Oh shit. Get expected data. Not been instance. What is that? Oh, this one. And which one failed. Which asset failed? True. Expected false or something like that. So the last one, orders from expected. Sequence equal actual orders. Order by. But there is no order. Where's the query? There's the query. Order by customer ID. Oh, maybe. Let me quickly check the database. Copy value. Robert 4 is whatever. Localhost. I'm thinking maybe it's a different locale. But that would mean it's fine as far as I can tell. Oops. Wait a minute. It says less than 10,300. And this one is definitely over that one. Oh no, it's basically selecting any customer that has okay. Makes sense. Makes absolute sense. Ay. Orders, customer ID, that makes sense. Oh, I got it. Because now I'm getting the orders in some order. Ah, that's actually interesting. Let me check PowerShell. Or actually, let me check Firebird 4. Is it okay? Probably it is. Do I do manual? Order or manual compare? Well, the problem is that we don't know where it fails. This one seems okay. 7880, 38444, 45, 24, 72, 626, 654, 672, 89, 733. Interesting. Am I connected to correct? Yeah, there is one. It's two. Okay, that makes sense. 8, 7, 5, 9, 2, 4. I would like to know where it fails, but and why it fails. Ba, 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 ba. I mean, this query looks assert true. So on the true part, there's only one assert true. Says that the expected order sequence equal with orders. It's false, then it's true. What if I copy paste this? I don't know which one is which. So let's do Firebird 4. Firebird 4. And let's do Firebird 3. And oh yeah, I have everything in there. Okay. There are some differences. Okay. So this is the 260. No. 260, and in this one is 260 in here, and it's a 3. Okay, so it is the ordering stuff. Makes sense. But why? Oh, because the order ID. Got it. Well, do I still have my... No, I don't. So sad. I think I can copy paste it from here. All right, that should be more stuff. Do I run it locally or do I run it from here? Let's cancel this one and cancel this one because I'm not interested in that one. And we will see. Now I'm wondering whether I run it locally. Probably easier and faster. And see what's what. 14 failed. So this was 1, 2, 3. Well, this one's probably not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that should be all because it's all both like double async and sync. So it should be 14 tests. It failed. Should be okay now. So okay, we have like 6 minutes before we know the result. And once we have that, I'm already on the 10. Hopefully the 11 is not yet released. Shouldn't be. Should be next month if I'm not mistaken. Where we have versions 7.10. Yes, next month. Makes sense. And then it's basically done. Let me check the branch. What is actually in there? So we did 7, net 7, net 7. This one's changed, 23. Improve this one, net 7, net 7, net 7. Bunch of spaces. Compilation context. This is a little bit of refactoring. This is the shorten, not supported by provider. Makes sense. Migrate. Oh, that's the functional. Okay. That's a little bit of refactoring. We have this new test. All these functional. Okay, let me do it this way. Yep. Come on. Whatever. Plan B. So it's net 7 program perf. Okay, so this was slightly changed. That's fine. That's fine. No result makes sense. A little bit of formatting. That's fine. That's virtual. So you guys can override it. This is the alias. Unary expression, whatever. Forbidden not. This is slightly okay for the constant. It's the return type. I remember that. We spent a lot of time on that. A little bit of trimming. Position. There is still a lot of stuff to improve in the translation. Return type. Boolean makes sense. What is this? It's the insert. This is for the migration, right? I had to override those. Makes sense. Strategy. That's fine. High-low. The high-low is not implemented yet, but it's fine. A little bit of formatting. Model creating. Server. Relational. To SQL query. Yes. And this is basically just the tests. Nice. So that works. And I think we have, this is still running. 8 failed. Hopefully it's still running. And I think I have, yep. Should fail, but not failing. That's fine. High, low, warning. Is it the same? Oh, it's the different one. Okay, so we have the high, low value generator. Okay, so if this one passes, this one is still failed. Oh. I remember overriding those somewhere. This is it. String include. Okay. That's fine. It's the same issue, only on the EF property include. Let's paste it in here. That should take care of that. Let's put more stuff in here. Okay, I can stop it and run it again. Leave it running. So this should fail, but not failing. This is the high-low. No idea what's there. And again, this should fail. It's not failing. Why it should fail? Okay, I can check that later. And the high-low. What was the name of the class? High-low value generator. Do I think it's... What the hell? What I'm doing? I'm doing wrong stuff. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, that's something that I need to implement. But that's not blocking the beta. That's a new feature. So I guess we can cancel this one, save some CPU cycles. It's running in here. This one still failed. What failed in here? What the hell? Oh, something is holding the database probably. Let's do. Whatever, that's fine. So anyway, I think I can leave this one running, and hopefully it will make it through. That leaves us two tests that should be failing but are not. But I don't understand it because it says it should be failing, but now it says basically equals something. I need to try to run it. Maybe it was in 703 disabled or something like that. And then the high-low, but before that, first beta will go out, and yeah, we will see. You know what? Let's kill this one, and let's run it again. That one was some intermittent feature. Intermittent failure is the correct word. I don't know. We'll see. 6 minutes. Okay, I will leave it running. Whoever is interested can check the workflows, and I will probably continue later and do the beta and stuff. That's not that much interesting. And then the last step probably would be the high-low. We will see how difficult that's going to be. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed my pain with XUnit. That cost us a lot of time. And see you next time.